guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm sharing something a little bit different. We are going to IKEA today. I'm properly excited because I haven't been in like maybe 6 months and it is a proper day out for me. So really excited, and I thought I would take you with me. So I thought I would share what's new in store, what they've got going on for summer, and yeah, just what I find really. Look at this. Absolutely obsessed with this colour at the minute. I think it's just so summery. Oh my god. And I love this bed. I've always wanted this bed. When we move, I'm going to get this. Ooh, liking this kitchen. Blue tiles are a bit different, aren't they? I really love this setup as well. Oh my god, look at this wall. This is what I'd do if I had a little balcony. I'd do like a living wall like that. I've always been obsessed with this lampshade. If I had somewhere for it to go, it would be already in my house. Oh wow, how cute is this one? Ooh, there's a new kitchen. I haven't seen this one before. Quite cool, isn't it? Oh, I love this. I'm going to get some of these, definitely. Just feel like you can never have too much eucalyptus. Absolutely love it. It's really different to what I would normally like, but it's so cool. Look at that like paint splash, backsplash. These are really cool. Love this setup as well. I'd love to copy that. Absolutely love this idea as well. Like a plant wall type thing. So cool. I've always been obsessed with this one. Just goes to show that even if you have a small kitchen, it can still look amazing. This is really cool. If you didn't have room for an island in your kitchen, you could have this. Look at all the storage. I think this is the one I was looking at. It's really slim, so hopefully it will look good in our skinny hallway. £40, not too bad as well, is it? You know when you get stuck behind the same family as you go around IKEA? We are basically that really annoying family that's just holding everyone up. Oh, it's this bed again. And with the lampshade as well. Obsessed. Oh, look at this pink colour. Oh my god, I love it. Marketplace. Now, this is where I spend my money. Gonna get some of these to make some ice lollies over the summer. £2. Can't go wrong, can you? It's like all the summer picnic stuff out here at the minute. These little chairs. How perfect would they be like on a patio or a balcony? £10 each. Absolutely mad. They even do sun hats. I didn't know they did sun hats in IKEA. So I desperately need some new kitchen bits. So I'm gonna get this, £2.75. Let's get that. All the cushions. I love this one. I'm absolutely obsessed with this print at the minute. So pretty, isn't it? Love this one as well. Really cool. And only £10. Not bad. I always come straight to the basket bit. Love a new basket. I've got about 4 of those. Don't need any more of those. Might get some of these. Always handy, aren't they? Wish I had space for a pantry. I'd be doing all this. I'd have all these jars. How cool are these chairs? I'm actually in love with them. I really love this vase. Look at the colour of it. So nice. And how perfect would it look with some eucalyptus in? I think the colours go so well, don't they? Might have to get this. I love this as well. Can you ever have too many candlesticks? These ones. I've got these black ones and love them. How cute are these gold ones as well? Lanterns, perfect for the garden. Loads of really cool garden stuff. Ooh, what's this? Oh, I love this one. That's really cool. Right, artificial plants. Here we go. How cool is this eucalyptus plant pot? Really cool. Then loads of really cheap, pretty flowers. If you want to make your own bouquet. I love these, really good quality. Don't look that fake at all. All the vases. So this one's cool. I'm basically drawn to anything gold at the minute. Oh, it's the cactuses I saw earlier. £15 not bad for 3. So we need a new rug for the living room. Not sure what I want though. I think I want something like this. Something that will withstand children and dogs. Location 4. It's that one. Right, I need to go through and see what I want and what I don't want. Turns out I didn't put anything back. Till next time, IKEA.
Bye shopping. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Welcome to McDonald's, what can we get for you?
Because no trip to IKEA is complete without a Mackey's, obviously. Right, so I'm now back home and I thought I would show you exactly what I got. Let's. Good girl. Sort of in the way though, I'm afraid, love. So it doesn't look like I got a lot of stuff, but I think I did really well for how much I spent. So I got 2 more of these baskets. I absolutely love these. They are currently basically in every cupboard in my house. So got a few more of those for the new kitchen cupboards. Yeah, so 2 of those. Couldn't resist getting these little ice lolly maker thingies. Don't know what they're officially called. But I have always wanted to make like Pim's ice lollies. So that is happening this summer, definitely. Then I got these, which I'm not 100% sure about because I haven't measured my drawers. So this could go very wrong. So I got these cutlery trays, which I want to put in my top drawer in my kitchen, just to organise things properly and to have everything looking a bit nicer. And I love them, but I don't know if they're going to fit. Anyway, couldn't resist them. Hopefully we can squeeze them in. Then I just got some basic bits. Frying pan, that was £2.75. Some more glasses because we just seem to run out all the time. Never got more than about 2 glasses. New bowls. These are only £3. Don't know if you can tell the pattern, but they're so pretty, aren't they? So nice basic bowl, but with a pretty pattern. Then I had to get some eucalyptus, obviously. I got 3 stems, £2.50 each. They're alright, aren't they? Quite good quality. For the price, anyway. Got another little glass jar for the cupboards. Thought I could keep like raisins or something in there. And then finally, I got this. Now this is absolutely massive. I think this was like £3. But what I want to do is stand this on a shelf and have pasta in. Probably will be just pasta for show because it's got to be done. But it's so pretty, isn't it? So anyway, that's my haul. Oh, and I also got the bench for the hallway as well. That's downstairs. I'll show you that when it's all put together. So I thought I'd just quickly show you what the bench looks like in situ. So it's going to be in the hallway here, hopefully to cover up this ugly radiator. Ignore those, they're coming off. They are from an old radiator cover. Oh, I really like it. It looks really good, doesn't it? So I'm obviously gonna have these cushions here, and I think maybe like a sheepskin throw or rug to go there. And then up here I'm going to change this mirror for a big round one because I think it would just look a bit nicer. For £40 though, it's really, really nice, isn't it? So yeah, just thought I'd show you what it looks like. So that's about it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed coming shopping with me. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see more home hauls and shopping trips. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will be back soon with another video.